Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We arrested one Jafar Mohammed Kadri, age about 23 years. He is a native of UP for kidnapping one 14-year minor girl from Daboli. So one incident took place on 30th May of kidnapping. In this, the father of the minor girl had given the complaint for kidnapping her minor daughter in the wee hours of morning of 30th May by some unknown person. So during the investigation, due to that technical assistance and from our reliable sources, we came to know that the said Jafar Mohammed is presently in Navi Mumbai. So accordingly, our team headed by PSI Rohan Nageshkar left to Bombay at Kopar Khairan police station, and with the assistance of the Kopar Khairan police station, we took the search on the concerned place where we got his location, and we managed to nab the accused along with the victim, and we rescued the victim. So presently, we brought the accused, detained and brought the accused at Vasco police station and placed him under arrest in this crime. And our further investigation is in progress.